All right, happy Valentine's Day. Today is February 14th, Wednesday, February 14th, 2018. Happy Valentine's Day. My name is Dave Knight, and I am with 123daytrade.com. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. Today is the inventory day. The report itself is going to be coming out in less than 30 minutes from to this point in time. I just wanted to give a quick little update here and say good morning and get ready to trade, and that's about it right now. So I will be back about, well, I guess about 5 minutes till the release. We'll see you in a few minutes. Right now we're about, 29 minutes away from the most exciting thing that happens in the crude oil market on a weekly basis. See you in a few minutes. All right, good morning. All right, so let's look at the 15-minute chart. Let's look top down and go to the dailies and work our way down quickly if we get there. All these lines are pivot lines, but let me get rid of one of these studies that we don't need. All right, so this is a greater Fibonacci retracement that's in here. Notice at 57.33 and down to 54.45. There's still a lot of down potential in the market. Looks like we need to get below that 5,800 mark for it to continue to make and progress itself on down the rest of the movement here. And you can see that we can 200 bar is sitting at 52.51 roughly, 52.47 according to the charts right now. So that's the long-term goal of where the market can go. Working our way to the hourly charts, probably see a range of movement. So right now we can see that there's a range of where the market could possibly retrace to the upside. Puts a little above the pivot point, right? 50% up to 55.44 it looks like. 65, what did I say? 60. Can't even read that. 60, 59.44. So I need to change color schemes on that. So I'm going to delete that. Let's work our way back to the 15 minutes. So we know we can get up through here. So this could be a 50% retracement back up here. So that we might see the retracement move quickly and then a sell back off. So that could possibly be something that happens today. So basically the market go up through to here and then sell off. So that could happen. All right. So let's see what goes on there. So that's what's happening in a nutshell right now. On the 5-minute charts, I assume that we're going to run this mark right here, and probably if it's going to happen, pivot's going to happen quickly. So pivot is located at 59.02 today. So I assume that that's going to be hit within seconds after the release. If there's I would assume that can happen within, this movement here, 30-something ticks up, can happen quickly. We are about 3 minutes from the report, so I'll be back with about a minute, or at 9:29 and 2. Okay, we're about a minute outside of the report release, so let's see what happens here. Once again, as a reminder, I'm at TopStepTrader. I'm not allowed to trade the inventory report until 1 minute passes by after the report release. So I need to wait for inventories to come out at 9:30, and then I have to wait till 9:31 before I can enter any trade. That's rules at TopStepTrader. I don't want to lose my funded account for technicality. So I need a timestamp of 9:31 and change to get in. So I basically sit on my hands until I see 9:31 print on the on inventory days, which makes it kind of fun, I guess, in a way, because I get to see my children off, I get to sleep, I get to eat breakfast on a Wednesday. You can see there's the release, and it's a positive blue 2624. 2624 coming out at 9:30 a.m. Up to pivot very quickly and through. Look at it, went to 90, 50, it went 5904. I can't even speak today. All right, all things being equal, looks like we're going in at, well, we're not going anywhere yet. We want to see a 1, 2, 3 set up to the down. Remember that 44 we talked about? It's 50% up there. It could quickly run there. $9.31. Lots of blue bar volume. There's 50% right there. 30, 31. Wish I got a little bit better entry on that, but I delayed a little bit too long there. We'll see. 59.31, first target's 59.05. 59.05 is a 1p move down today. We'll go ahead and move to break even here. Locking in a couple ticks. Well, that's a violent move right there. We might go back up to the highs, so I want to protect. $3p down move today. 58.52. Go ahead and lock in one extra tick there. We're going to go yellow line plus 3 right now. Yellow line plus 2. Go 10 ticks over settlement here. 59.19 plus 10 ticks. Will we get a one trade win today or not? GAN signal is 57.81. Let's see what we have on target here. 57.81 is GAN. That's what we're going to be hunting for. 57.81 to the downside. We touched but not through. Touched but not through. No, we haven't touched. I'll take it back. We low of 07. 22, 21, 'Market moved to 33 there. Going to hold the 59. Going to use the previous points. Damn, I wish I could have stayed in that. Fourth time through here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which way wants to win? $17 to short. If we get the second one filled, we're going to be looking for 78 move. Taken out. $29. Removing. R1 and boogieing on the upside. Hold on. Lots of volume up here. Wow, big move. $60 a barrel here. Hold on. Need a 1, 2, 3 to form now. Be patient. Damn it. Shit. Okay, I gotta hit remove all trades here if that gets hit. $59.51, $59.05 is first target. $59.05. Doesn't seem right though. Tell them to last trade. Jeez. 2 tick slippage there. Not going to be my day today. I like that sell-off, but we're going to find out if there's any strength to it. Maybe. Maybe. Probably not, but maybe. It's not going to be good. Damn it. I can't trade anymore. The market's going down from here. I just don't know. I can't trade. Shit. Well, that's a quick way to lose $500, right? Just about. 484.80. Boom, done. Sucks. What's really going to suck is when this thing sells off and I'm not able to be on it. Because the market went to, what did they just go to then? 67. I couldn't stay in it. Bullshit. Needed to find a better spot to get short. Should have shorted up here when I saw it get close to 60. Damn it! Suck! I hate losing these fucking days. Oh, bastard. 500 fucking bucks. Son of a bitch. Fuck me. God dang it. What the hell? I should have caught that. I had 3 tries here. The only thing I could have done better is not take on the 21 short. If I got stopped out of that 33 trade, if I would have held that one and made it a minus 12 there, then I wouldn't have been in the 21 trade. And then I would have had an extra shot maybe at the 51 mark. Still in the same boat though, could run me out. Some days just aren't made to win. But this is a day that I normally win, and you know that. Oh, to know what it's going to do and then not be able to do it. All right, so in 2 trading days, I lost $800 and something. Account balance sits at 1,078. Fuck me. Shit. I don't know, guys. Oh. Damn it. Was there any sign up here the market was done? 77.83, right? It's more than 5 ticks. Was it? It's 70, 80. It's right at 82. It would have been. That's 6 ticks. That's what's held me back on that one. And I thought the short right there, 2 ticks under there. If I could have held on. Back here, my initial trade. Maybe I should have waited, held that one. Yeah, that's probably what I should have done. I should have held that one. 31, make it take me out here on that one and not come back in. So going to break even on the very first trade is probably what caused me the day. Going to break even too quick and it not running a 1p. 59.07 is not 59.05. That is not a 1p move. I should have taken the hit here, and then I would have been in this run waiting for this, and I would have had 4 attempts up here. And whether it takes me out or not, at least I would have had the attempts up here to take a shot at it. Probably shooting right there for this one, and maybe being able to stay in it right here on this, and this would have been second trade. Could have stayed in that trade, maybe. I doubt it though. Yeah, I could have stayed in it through here. Been sitting around the 61. 2 ticks underneath R1 on trade 2. It's not the system, it's the operator. I'm telling you, it's always the operator when you fuck up. Shit. Oh, son of a bitch. This is going to be such a lovely trade. This should have been $1,000 day for me if it's going to do what I think it's going to do. I can't take any more trades on it. It'll take me above the $500 and I'll lose the fucking funded account. The only thing I could have done to make a mental note of that. 1P or bust on the trade. That cost me this victory today. 1P or bust on inventory day. Don't go so quick to break even. Break even kicked my ass today. Second trade I would have stayed in. Second trade would have been roughly in here. 2 ticks under 64. 66 would have been 64. And a 12 tick stop loss would have made 76. 76 stop up here. $59.64. $59.64. A 1P move would be 38. And we did 38. Now we could get to break even. This is how I learn, guys. Still, after all this shit, I still learn. And I try to make it. It's painful to have to learn like this, though. But this is how I learned how to get the big wins. So now I would be able to say I'm at break even. And I could safely say if it comes up to here, I don't want to be short. And I could walk away with, you know, like a 12 tick loss on the day. What's going to be really painful is when it goes down all the way down here. And I only have $15. So if I take a 1 tick slippage here on the trade, I get fucked. Son of a bitch. That's the double-edged sword of volatility. You get your ass handed to you quickly. And it's what makes trading not so much fun. Oh, bastard. Why? Oh, why did I fuck today up? 1P or bust on CL Pit. Fuck me. That's going to be the title of this video. 1P or bust. Get my ass kicked because I did it. 5 trades when I should have only had 2, maybe 3 tops. I took too long to make my mind up here to get in. I should have come in at 71 right there off of this and tried it up here. I took too long to get in. That's when I got in. It was here when I should have got in earlier, and that 51 cost me the trade. Taking too long to get in because I let it come down to here and then I got in. So even if it runs me out today, you know, and comes up here to break even, I would have put myself in a better chance of catching the big short side trade if it wants to go down. Oh, son of a gun. 12 is next down target. This is painful to watch. This is very painful to know that you're right and wrong at the same time. These are the painful days. Now you can safely say you want to not the market go above this 50 mark. You could use this plus 5 ticks or 7 ticks, hold it 59, 57 or so. 58, you know, you could go 5 ticks over that. I wouldn't be at 55, but I'd hold at 56 or 57. Son of a bitch. Bastard. Too many trades, too quick. Too many trades, too quick. Market's moving. I got to be more patient. My first entry, I really liked it. Trades 2, 3, 4, 5, no. 1P or bust. That would have kept me in the trading day today. There's 2P. Son of a bitch. And I couldn't afford to risk 14.3 ticks, 15 ticks a trade today. That would have put me at 45 on 3 trades. I had to lower my risk to 11 and 12. It's halfway in between 1/2 R and 2/3 R. It's a double-edged sword of volatility, guys. It's what kicks my ass. When I get my ass kicked, it's not because I'm wrong sometimes. It's because I run out of ammo in the funded account or any account. I mean, I knew how I wanted to attack this market. My execution sucked. Go 47. We'll go blue line plus 5 ticks now. And I tried to get in 2 contracts today as I knew what it wanted to do. If I had 2 contracts on right now, I'd use yellow line as exit point on the first one. Yellow line plus 5. So I'd be around 27, 28 right now. Let's call it 29 for now. This is how I learn. This is how I get better. Funded account high, I got up to 1900 this time before this 2-day losing period. And I don't want to give up any more of my money. And it is my money right now that I'm trading. So, fuck. I will look tomorrow, but I'm taking a 4-day weekend for damn sure. From Friday through Monday, I can't trade President's Day, so I'm going to take Friday and Monday off from trading for damn sure. I will look at tomorrow. But most likely my next trading day will be the 20th. Give myself some time to let all this soak in. Son of a bitch. Such a bastard! Down to pivot. Trailing behind here. 3P is a target on 1 contract. It'd be 58.85. 58.85 is what I'd be hunting for. I'd be on 2P on 1 right now. 59.13, let's call it. 59.13 plus 3 is 16.17. We're at 59.17 on 1. And the second one is using the blue line right here. For now, we're going to be at 39.40 right there. We're going to be right on top of the blue line now. We're going to be at 13 here for this. Let's go 16. 16.17 still. Oh, if I could have just been patient. $58.85 on 1 is what I'm looking for on 1 contract. we got our mark here coming out at 17 if it goes there, and we're on blue line for 2 right now. This is how I become a better trader, guys. I'm showing you how I become a better trader. And people think, you're not making money, you're not making money, you're not making money. Well, I'm not losing money either. That went to 17 right there, so you're out on 1. Right now, if I wanted to close my account, which is something I'd think about right now, and I'd take $1,000 and start all over again. That's something that I might do. Take my $1,000 winnings, go in back into the combine at $150, and try to get myself back up again. Take this money off the table and say, all right, I won 1,000. You know, this is a win for me. I could say this right here, I want to close my funded account. I'll take this as my winnings and start all over again. I have a history of losing too many days in a row once I start losing. I just might do that. I'm going to think about it. I might just take my money and run. That make me feel good right now, taking $1,000 away from the market after all I done to be able to say I pulled 1,000 out right now. That's a win for me. Go back into the combine at 150 and work my way back into funded again. All right, so we're going to hold at 41 now on everything that we have left. And the performance coaches will try to talk me out of taking the money because they don't want to pay it. But I've just lost 800 in 2 days. So obviously something's off. Volatility's high. I could easily lose another 500. And if I lose another 500 from here, how's that going to make me feel to come down $1,500? It's going to make me feel like shit. So I'm going to feel like I'm a loser again. I'd rather be a winner at 1,000 right now and take that money. I'd rather be a winner. Take $1,000 away from TopStepTrader and feel that I covered some of my cost of trading. This is more than insufficient. I've actually made more than I put in right now. And then I can relax for a couple days and not worry about trading until next week and set up another combine on the 20th and get a check, physically get a check. was the last time I got paid from TopStepTrader. It was last time I got paid from TopStepTrader was back January 27th of 2017. I think I want to get paid. And I know some of you all think, no, you're already in the funded account. You should keep on going. My history is that once I start losing, man, I lose more, and I don't want to give up any more of this money. Right now I've been $1,000 at this point is huge. That's huge. That's a big win for me. I'm going to take my 1,000 and run. I'm going to thank them and then pay 150 back into the combine again and work my way back to funded again. I know I can do it. I've done it before 7 times. I've made my way back into funded. I haven't been paid by them in forever. It's been a year since I've been paid by TopStepTrader. All right, plus 5 from here. Call it 38 now. 39, 38. We'll call it 38. We'll call it 39. 32 plus 5 is 37. I don't like being on 7s. 39. I need to work on my entry points. That's what I sucked. It cost me. I would say my entries cost me, not only today, but cost me the funded account because of other trading days that I screwed up. My entry points need work. So I'd rather take the money and work on my entry points at $150 where I feel less pressure. And I feel a hell of a lot less pressure when even though I don't feel as much pressure trading my own money, this is still the negative compound effect of losing under $1,000 right now is going to just kill my spirit. And then just start up a fresh combine on the 20th. And there it is. All right, officially I'd be out of this trade. So that would have been best case scenario right there. Best case scenario, trading 2, or I would have had just a small win today, trading 1. So 39 from 62. And if I only had 2 trades today, let's think here. I lost 12 on 1, and then I would have been able to pull 64 from 38. 26. So it only been a plus 14 tick trading day today. At best, on 2 trades. Plus 14. So best case scenario for me today would have been plus 14 on 1 contract. Trading 2 today, I would have lost. I would have only been in 1 on that initial. Then I would have traded 2 on the next one. So I had 3 trades total. Be minus 12 on 1. I never trade 2 right at the right off the release. I would have been comfortable trading 2 up against that high. Then I would have been able to pull out 64 from 12. Excuse me, I came out at 17. 64 and 17, 64 and 38. So 26. 47 and 26. 13, 73. 73 minus 12. 61. Trading 2 today would have been best case scenario 61 ticks. Best case scenario trading 2 today would have been plus 61. BC. So trading 1 contract, best case scenario plus 14. Trading 2 today, on that second trade, best case scenario would have been plus 61. So that was today. I've got, once again, I'm at $1,000 positive in funded, and I'm taking my money and going back. I'd rather be back in the combine. The negative impact of going under 100K, I mean 100K, I wish I was at 100K, but the negative impact of that will make me do this. Be very, very sad. Very, very sad. The negative impact of going under $1,000 right now, after being up 1,900, is going to make me very, 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 very sad. All right, that's an hour of me talking today. That's Dave Knight here at 123daytrade.com. I'm going to take a short break. I'm going to be away from trading next from the 15th through, and I guess my next day, I might even take the week off after that and start the week after that. But I usually like the 4th week of the month. So, probably next trading day I'll be most likely inside the combine on the 20th, President's Day, day after. All right, that's it. Talk to you later.